Now I told y'all it was facial February. Y'all, let's get into this today. Welcome back, beautiful babes. Welcome to the channel. Your girl Sweet Angel here, and I am doing what I do. Yes. Thank you all so much for clicking on today's video. Listen, it is facial February, day 7, and baby, we are doing a winter skin check-in, okay? And you all know why? It's because winter has been acting a fool. Winter has been rude, real rude. So if your skin feels tight, and you don't even have the face mask on, if your skin feels tight, dry, itchy, flaky, or irritated, listen, that's not just dryness. That could be your moisture barrier crying for help. So today we're doing a moisture barrier repair facial using just 2 simple ingredients you probably already have, and that is oats and warm milk. Now, why this works? This mask is gentle, soothing, and perfect for mature skin, sensitive skin, and winter skin. As I said, 2 ingredients. We'll be taking 1 tablespoon of oats. These are ground oats that I had pre-ground, and we're taking 2 tablespoons of warm milk. Let me just tell you about the benefits of these ingredients, y'all. And let me tell you why this works so well. Now, oats are like a comfort blanket for your face. They help calm irritation and redness, reduce itching and dryness, support the skin barrier, soften rough texture. And this milk right here, milk is soothing and hydrating, and it helps gently soften dead skin, improve dryness, give the skin a smooth, nourished look, and boost softness and glow. And it's simple enough to make. Just mix your oats and warm milk into a soft paste. If you want it smoother, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so the oats can soften. Now, to apply it, just put on a thick, even layer on your skin, and that is clean skin, and avoid your eyes. Now just let this sit for 15 minutes. Now, important tip here, do not let it dry and crack. If it starts drying, mist your face and add a little bit more milk. Remove and seal. You want to rinse this off with lukewarm water, no scrubbing. Pat it dry and seal it with a moisturizer or facial oil. I am using my Winter Skin Defense facial oil. It's listed in the description box, and you can whip yours up too and start using it. Now your skin should feel soft, calm, and comforted, like you just gave it a warm hug. Beautiful babes, if you are doing facial February with me, comment down below. Day 7 done. Ooh, girl. And you're going to love it. All right, babes, I'm done. And please, listen, don't forget to like this video if you found some value in it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And babes, please share this with a friend. Someone you know has told you their skin is suffering from this winter weather. And babes, make sure you check the description box for more information regarding this mask, and I will see y'all on day 8. You bet. Bye.